Hello everyone. I think what we're gonna do now is just record and I'll just post it on YouTube and all that. I think just the reason is I tried streaming earlier, but I got feedback that it was not stable. The connection was not stable, so I'm just gonna record for an hour and see where this goes, and hopefully people watch this and think it's interesting. And in the meantime, I'll be fixing the settings on the live stream, and in the long run, if it doesn't work out, then I'll just record videos about my work. Probably gonna just do this like 2 hours a day, but since it's 12 p.m. Hong Kong time and I have to nearly get ready to eat lunch, I'm just gonna record for 1 hour. So what we did earlier in the failed live stream was that we analyzed the website template that we had before and just kind of redid the sitemap so that it fit the sitemaps of it fit the sitemaps of different Webflow templates that we found. We found like 3 Webflow templates, and we analyzed their pages. And basically, to create a Webflow template, we need to have like a number of pages, and we also need to have like different styles of specific pages. So for example, in Uncode there were like 3 pages of landing page, 3 pages of about us, 3 styles of cases, 3 styles of blogs. So we have to be kind of flexible, and I kind of had to create this type of create all the artboards here. There are a total 24 artboards. I think we're gonna allow a login and sign up, but I'm not too sure about this because I don't know whether somebody who's using a Webflow template will know exactly how to use the login and sign up, but maybe they could pass it off to a Webflow expert. Let's just make it for now. And so what we did was we went on Site Inspire and kind of looked at all the references, and we just found Guild. So what we're gonna do now is just paste them on a new page called Mood Board or something. References, I guess. And these references will contain all of the all of the references we found, and we're just gonna analyze them. Okay, where are you? Okay, 1 second. Let's see if did we download something? Nope. Okay, let's do it again. This is a nice one, but unfortunately Go Full Page is kind of annoying in the sense that I think the output's not gonna look too good. You hear my dog walking. Okay, let's see. I think it's worth just putting anyway. Let's put this here. Okay, and I think we're just gonna get 2 more. I would say 2 more. Is this nice? This looks all right. Let's see. Is this a nice one? This is more education. Is this nice? This is nice, but it's too stylish. Let's see about this one. This is portfolio. This one, I like this kind of. Ooh. Okay, this is my tang, but I don't know what the output would look like if I take the screenshot. I think it's fine. We just need the look and feel and the structure first. Download that. And maybe Glide is always a great example. They have a great landing page here. Let's see, let's just let's load the entire page first by scrolling through, and then we're going to grab the screenshot. Alright. I think Glide is a very extensive landing page. It's gonna be hella long, but it has the right like sections that we might need. Let's see if we need this. This one's a little bit too colorful. This one's a little, I like it, but too playful. Okay. This one's too normal. This one can work. No, this one works. I found this before, and I'm going to screenshot it. This is more tech related, but they managed to make something that is hard to understand much more easy to digest by the colors. So we're just going to capture that, and that is it for now. Alright, and then what we're going to do is take these screenshots and put it in the reference template here. Boom. Okay. Here. And what are we going to do now? I'm stuck. What we're going to do is analyze the style here. Let's just leave it here for reference first. Let's just have like all the layout this, and then give a fixed width of like, let's say 1440. Oops, shit. Boom, 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 boom. 1440, and now everyone has the same height. So, how do we start this? How do we? Okay, let's actually go back to the business template and kind of take a look. Okay, so there's 3 landing pages. Let's take a look at that. Why is it different? It's nice and clean. I like it. Okay. I think what we're gonna do so I like how it's like keeps in one tone. That's really nice. And then there's just different sections for different landing pages. For example, we have like the hero section here, and then we have the logos, and then we have just some features, CTA, stats, features again, testimonials, another feature, a blog, and that's it. Let's see if we can just screenshot this. Screenshot these 3 landing pages, and we're just gonna work on these the landing page template for now. Okay, and then we're gonna screenshot this baby. And then we're gonna screenshot this baby. Boom. And we're gonna download this. Download. And download. Okay. Save. Take a look at this. Post it on Figma. Okay, now what we're gonna do is put it in the references part, and let's call these let's call these homepage styles. Okay, and these are just like overall styles. I'm gonna do this. And each of this is going to have a fixed width of 1440, so that we can clearly see how see it. You can clearly see it on a big screen. Okay, so now what we're going to do is list out the sections. Let's make it 32, and then we're going to hero section. So sections, A1 hero, logos, features, CTA, stats, features 2. Okay, there's multiple features. Actually, this could be a features 2. Features 3. What else we got? Testimonials, features 4, and blog. And what else? And then we get the footer. Nav. Okay. Okay, we're gonna do this. Sections. Okay, now we get the nav, hero, logos, features, CTA, features 5, I guess. What is this? Features 5. The reason why I say 5 is because this feature, like, it's a new alignment, it's a new layout, so I'm just gonna call it features 5. Is it after the CTA? Yeah. Wait a second. So features 2 comes under CTA here, and then features 5 comes under the CTA. And then we get the blog article, blog 2. You call it blog 2. And account. We call it C. Okay, so there's CTA 1 and then CTA 2. Okay, boom. Okay, so here we get nav, hero, sections, features 6, features 7, testimonials 2, logos 2, and blog 2, blog 3 law and then a call to action 2. Okay, so each of these home pages have 10 sections, each with a hero, and like they just rearrange it. So I think what we'll probably need to do is start from scratch and then just kind of go from the like maybe just start from the branding first. So we're just gonna go for the homepage styles first. I don't know. I've never made a template before, but I feel like we need to kind of start from the very foundations with the colors, the typography, the images, the color. I said colors, the icons and stuff. Well, they have icons. Where did they get their icons from? Let's see. How did they get their icons? Let's see. What is this here? This is an absolute icon. Did they make it by themselves? UI card icon? I don't know. We'll figure it out. I think we could just use like an open source icon set. Let's try to work. So now we know the sections. Now let's try to go for the branding stuff. Style guide maybe. Okay, cool, nice. So it's called shield guard. We need four presentations like this, and then we're gonna make it like that. Okay, now typography and colors and icons maybe, and then button styles and images, I guess. So let's make them images. Make all of this fixed width of 1920 and 1080, and then I'll make all of this here, then align like that, and figure it out from there. And branding guidelines. So typography first. Let's look for some type. This is nice. What is it? What font is it? Satoshi. Okay, I have that. Let's see. Did they stick to only one? I think they did. So Satoshi looks like a killer. I'm not going to go for that route. I want to go for Clash Grotesque first, because that seems like a very, let's see, Clash Grotesque. Is it nice as a font? Let's see. Look at our font book, and we're also gonna put up Google Fonts real quick, and just kind of see what we got so far. And delete all of this thing. Satoshi is nice, but I just don't want to like be too similar to what we already have like as a reference. So we're just gonna I think Roboto Flex has been like a good like thing. It's been a good standard font. So we're just gonna call it Roboto Flex first, maybe, and let's use the content that we got from before, and then just kind of from the home page, maybe. Okay, so let's see. We're gonna make this content here. So protecting your future since 1900s. Okay, some bullshit like that, and then the paragraph we're going to. And then we're going to boom, and make it lower like that. We're gonna make this 16, 24 maybe. Okay, 24. And we're not gonna make it bold. Boom. Let's see which one works. Boom, like that. Fill container, and then we're gonna make this maybe 16. Like that. This looks nice. Maybe this could be smaller to see the contrast and all that. Yep. Let's do that. Do that. Oops. Make it nice. Boom. Nice. Is it? Fill container, and then packed space between. Nice. Is that okay? Maybe. Yep. This looks good. Okay, we're gonna hug content. So we're gonna choose 3 more fonts. Let's see. What can we make? What can we do? What can we use? Let's see here. Cabinet Grotesque. Nope. Charlotte Boix. Epilogue? Let's see. Epilogue. This can work, maybe. Maybe can work. Can this work? Yeah, this could. Let's put it there. Epilogue. Okay, let's do this first. For now. And we're gonna keep going. Is Epilogue a free font? Let's see. Epilogue. Or should we just use Google fonts? Let's see. Boom, boom, boom. I can never remember sans serif and serif, the difference between the two. I apologize. Let's see. Instrument sans. It looks nice. I don't want to do a Lato. We've done that agent for a long time. Oswald. Rubik looks nice, I guess. Rubik. Or this is okay. Libre Franklin, that looks nice. Okay, let's choose one more, and then we're gonna move forward. Arimo, okay, done. Let's see. Instrument sans. It looks pretty standard. Let's try this out. Instrument sans. And we don't have it. Never mind. Rubik. Let's try Rubik. Nah, not a fan. Let's see, Libre Franklin. This could work maybe. Let's try 2 more. Libre Franklin, Arimo. Let's try Arimo. No, not a fan. Okay, let's see what else we got. Let's see Clash Grotesque. Epilogue font download. Oh, Epilogue is a Google font. Okay, cool. Then I have nothing to worry about. Let's try to find like 1, 2 more. General Sans, is that a... Okay, General Sans is somewhat usable. Let's try to see if this works. No, not a fan. Kosher Sans, is that a thing? Oh, it's a Pangram. We probably need to pay for it. Let's not do that. Enter is there. Alt always been there. Object Sans. Have we? What's that? Oh, it's a Pangram font. Damn. Objectivity. Let's see. No, not a. It's too round. Okay, let's rename this to Arimo first, and then let's just keep going. Oh, plus Jakarta, dude, that is my jam. Plus Jakarta Sans. That's my jam for sure. This could be a. Okay, cool. We got this. So we got some typography styles going. They're all they're all kind of like bold and like sans serif type fonts, and it's really just because I want to project that feel, that more business like and more modern like type of feel. I don't know any other adjectives to describe it, but I think we're gonna choose between 5 of these, right? And so we're gonna move on to colors. Let's try to make this nice and beautiful first. So in order to get a good color scheme, I want to kind of just try to analyze all the colors in this template and see how it kind of relates. So we have like a primary color here. We have a thing here. Is this white? It's pure white. Okay, interesting. So basically it's 3 colors. 3 colors. We got a primary and a secondary and a white color. And I think the font has the same color. Oh no, it's like a black, but it's like a greenish black, I think. Let's try to double check with this guy here, see what that looks like. Oh, there's another gray. Okay, this can work. Okay, cool. That's nice. That's a nice color scheme. So I'm gonna go back to style guide real quick, and then we're gonna make a thing here. I want to make it blue. So what I'm gonna do, I want this template to be more blue. Let's try to figure it out how we're gonna do it. Boom. Can we edit multiple colors at once? No, we cannot. So so we're gonna call this web color scheme 1. I'm gonna put that baby here and put it down. 128, 128, 128. Okay, nice. Oh shit! It's raining outside. Okay. Unfortunate, but it's cool that I'm not outside. Boom. Make icons, buttons, and images maybe. No, media. Images, whatever. So this is color style 1, color scheme 1. Okay, and then we're gonna make all these colors. Gonna give it all the stroke so you can see it properly. Let's try to make it. Actually, you know what? What we'll do is create 3 more color schemes, and then just kind of see how all our references, any color scheme we can kind of make out of it. So this one is a more colorful one, in which there's like a purple here, and then there's a pink, and there's a green, there's an orange, and then we got like, it's a very complex color scheme, I would say. And then they have a nice white, they have like a black. Do they have a black? What's their black? It's like a very, okay, so basically they have 3, their color schemes are they're tri-color, tri-primary color. I don't know what that, I don't know. 1, 2, 3, 4 colors, 4 primary colors. That's hard, because I'm not really that great at making colors. Let's try to put that back as a color scheme. Okay, what is this? Like, okay, just put that there. Okay. 140 lower, and then this one, let's try to make it 140, and then grab this, replace it, the color scheme here, like that, nice. And then we're gonna make this, add the stroke, oops, color, boom, add the stroke. Okay, we're gonna look for a last color scheme, oops, and it's gonna be glide, I think. Glide, or so we kind of already have like a monotonous color scheme going, so I don't think I'm gonna look at this or this. We already have, so this is kind of like a mixture of like monochrome plus like different color, like bright colors. So I'm not gonna look at that. I'm not gonna look at this either because it's similar, but this one's very black and white and one primary color. So this would be like this would be my third choice, because it's very like straightforward. Let's see. Okay, now we're gonna make it 40, and boom, style guide, boom, and make this color scheme like that. Okay, so this one is like, I don't even know if monochrome is the correct term for like just having one color across. Straightforward, nice. Okay, we're gonna do that. Okay, so icons, do we need to do that? Probably. One second, it's getting dark. I'm gonna turn on the light. So icons are the worst for me, man. Let's just try to use like Google material icons, so that, because it's open source and it's something that we can just like instantly use within Figma, I think it should be all good. It's already got everything we need, I think, so we're just going to use that as a template. So what I would do usually in this situation is take a screenshot of these icons like that, put it here, and just provide the link to the Google fonts. Call it Google Material Icons. What was it called? Material Symbols. Okay, symbols. We're just gonna use that for now. Is that lazy? Comment on the video below if you think this is a lazy approach. And the world will live as one. And then we're gonna link this to this guy, so that's, we have easy access. button styles, we're gonna try to go for maybe something. Let's see. Let's just try to go for like contact us, let's say, for example, and then we're going to give it a frame, and we're gonna make this maybe. Let's use the first color scheme for now. We're just looking for style. We're looking for the style and not really focusing on color. We're gonna give this a white, and then we're gonna give the frame a background color of this, and then we're just going to figure it out. Let's see if, oh man, it's raining hard. Let's give it some breathing room and just, let's see, button. Let's call it button 0, 0. Okay. Let's see if we can make it even more fancy. 32. And what is this? 64. So this is okay. I think it might need just a little bit more. It could use a lot more padding. Let's try to just put this here so it's easy for us to fuck around with. Boom. Let's add more padding, like 32. It looks better with a 32. Yeah, 32 pixel padding on the left, right. For this, we're going to, let's try a 32, 32. That could work maybe, but then it has to coincide with the font size. It's not going to be 64 pixels large, so it might look a lot different if the font size is smaller. So we're going to do that, and you can already see the difference. So that's my fault. Should have figured that out earlier. I think these would be too. This would be too large, but I'm going to use this as an example, as a template to reduce the font size like that. Cool. This looks nice. Now let's kind of, how do we make it even better? Now we need a secondary button, and I would like to kind of like see them side by side. So how are we gonna do it? Okay. Okay, we're going to take this guy, this guy, this guy, this guy, and give it a different color. Let's say this. Nice. And then I'm gonna make it black, I think, or not black, like this color. Boom. No, it doesn't work. White. Yeah, can work. Whatever. Let's make it, change the name to sign up, sign up, sign up, and sign up. Actually, let's remove this. There we go. That looks nice. I'm gonna do the same thing. Let's just try to make it larger for now. Boom, like that. Actually, this would have been way easier. I'm so stupid. Boom. Okay, and we're gonna call all of this sign up. Sign up. Sign up and sign up. Okay, I'm gonna. I'm not an expert in branding, I would say, but again, just gotta make do with what resources you have and just kind of go for it. I would like to make I would like to have like a I would like to learn more in depth on how to really do some like good branding, but just haven't had the time to do something like that. So why the heck? Okay. or something like that. And then we're gonna make this A. If you think like I could be using my time way better in terms of how we're gonna make this branding stuff, please feel free to, like, you know, just mention it, because I would love to, you know, somehow improve. But I just don't, like, I've been doing this blindly ever since. So not blindly, but I've been in this, I've been freelancing for a while, and I don't really have like a good, we say good, I don't have a background of design, I would say. I had to learn all of this design stuff by myself, and currently this is like how I've experienced like the branding process. So if there's anything better that you think would be a good idea, just leave a comment, and that would be greatly appreciated. So again, I'm always open to learning. Okay, what we're gonna do now is create a bunch of images. Okay. Okay, and then we're going to populate this very quickly with the Unsplash plugin. Yes, you can. Maybe like how many do we got here? We got 4. We got 8. Okay, so let's populate 4 with like architecture, I guess. And we're gonna populate some with business. Then we're gonna go with minimal, and maybe technology. Wait, what the heck? Come on, bro. There's 2 of the same images. It says insert random, bro. Come on, dog. Okay, that's more like it. So we did architecture, interior. No, let's do minimal. And last but not least, we're going to go with technology. And again, we're not going to use these images. We're just going to need them for, like, you know, creating the brand. Like, we're going to use this as the first step into choosing images later. So in order to see, like, in order to see whether our branding guidelines fit or not. Boom. So we're gonna make those images like that. So I think we have something happening. We got some good typography. We got a nice color scheme, some icons, some button styles, and like some images to work with. That's great. And now what we're gonna do is kind of sort it out. I think for one thing, the first thing I can see is, like, I haven't changed the monochrome color scheme into something blue related, so I'm gonna do that right now. I'm just gonna do like a rich blue, like that. I think I'm going to move that there and see if 2235. Can I kick it in layers? Is the point say here? Sometimes I'm a studio conveyor. Please be my mayor. Okay. Now for the colorful scheme, I'm gonna keep it like that. For the straightforward scheme, I'm gonna keep it like that. Or I could probably just make a much more bluer version. This is too purpley. Maybe that. Yep. Cool. Well, I'm a little bit burnt out, to be honest, but all for the sake of designing a template. So what we're going to do now is we are going to establish the style of the entire template, and how we're going to do that is we're going to go to the Resume Library Figma Kit real quick, and then we're going to choose a header that includes an image, title, a description, some icons, and then we're just going to we're gonna play around with everything that we've chosen here, and then just see what looks the best, I think. Okay, so now we got the hero headers. Let's just look at that. Okay, let's try to choose maybe just a random one. Let's go for this one, I guess. Nope, we need something with 2 buttons, so let's just try that. Let's go for this. Let's go for this cut. Okay, so we're gonna go with the Roboto Flex first, and then we're going to go with the button style of this. Let's detach this instance first, and then boom, put that there, contact us and sign up, and then we're gonna replace this image with, like, let's say a maybe this. We're gonna place this image like that. We're gonna fill the container, and then we're gonna fill the container here, or we're gonna make it larger. Let's make this hug content and then make it larger like that. Maybe, I don't know. Well, we can already tell that. Let's see, Roboto Flex, and this is Roboto Flex. These two are Roboto Flex. Let's call it header 1, and oh shit, we are going to change the primary color to, let's say, this one, and we're going to change this secondary color to maybe this one. Right. Let's see if this would be readable on the top of this. Could be, maybe. Let's what do we have? We have the accessibility, contrast. There we go. Oh, it fails. Fuck it. Let's try to look for. I have a random ally. Let's try to use that instead. Yes, sir. Let's try new colors. Something we like. Maybe this. Okay, Bluebell looks great. Boom. I'm gonna add that. Oops, shit. We're gonna call this blue first, actually, and then this one is blue as well, and then this one is the. Oh, that looks way better. Okay, nice. Let's try to find some new colors as well. Maybe let's try this. Red and. Okay, this could probably work as well. So it's gonna call this. We're gonna call this Dodger Blue. Dodger Blue. And then we're going to give this this color, and then we'll call this Dodger Blue. Is it? Let's do this again. That was kind of weird. Let's try it again. Okay, let's use this. So we're gonna call it Dodger Blue. Oh, maybe this color should be Dodger Blue. Yeah. Blue, and then this one is 2000. Oops, shit. Actually, it's like this, and then we need to make the font color Dodger Blue. Seriously? I'm not a fan of that. Or we can do that. Yeah. I'm really confused. Boom. And then 2142152. That's correct. Okay, that could work. This is nice. Let's go for another header. And do you think we? Yes, I think we do. We need a different, like, blue, maybe. Is it? Let's try to. How do we do this? Let's make it a blue. And then kind of just move it back. What we would call it. That's the thing. This could work, maybe. Let's try. Okay, this could work. Let's try to change the blacks into something. Into let's change it to something more bluish to go with the blue theme. Bluish. I'm gonna make it blurry first, and then kind of nope, too bright. Okay, that looks good. Now this one, let's try to go for another color scheme. Let's just go for dark blue maybe. We'll go with a white, and then we're gonna go for like a let's go for this. What is the color of this? I'm gonna go for okay, cool. Let's change the fonts. Let's maybe go for epilogue for the second one. Boom, boom, boom. Epilogue. Ooh, okay. Can do. Which one can we do now? So I think we're gonna go with plus Jakarta Sands. I've seen that around recently, and I think it's my go-to. It's very all-round. Yeah, okay, we're going somewhere, getting somewhere. Let's try to change this photo into like perhaps maybe this. Yeah. I mean, I'm not a big fan of Unsplash anymore because I don't know, the quality of their images is just way different than before. So but I'm only using this for like demonstration purposes. So let's see. We're trying to make it more business-like. This is more techie, and maybe we can go with this one. Let's go with this one. Fill container, and then we're gonna go for a ×2 here, like that. Okay, this is looking good. Man, shit. Okay. Okay, and I'm gonna try to go for like maybe different blues instead of just so for this one I'm gonna go for this color, and it is the 00FFFFFF. Okay, we're gonna change the color back later, so no problem. Boom, boom. That's pretty sharp. This is a more LinkedIn type of color, and then we're gonna go for that, right? And then how are we gonna change this? Okay, this one's a little too bright, but let's see if we can get things going here. Oops. For the sake of this, again, it's just we're just playing around with colors, bro. As if I'm talking to somebody. So just playing around with colors. This one's a little too sharp. Maybe I can just tone it down a little bit to maybe something less. Nah. Yeah, this one's a little boring. Let's keep it. This one, let's try to make it this color, and then this color, and then for this one, instead of the fill, we can go for the stroke, and then this one can go with the stroke color of this. Great. Now for this one, what I want to do is make it white, and for this one, I am going to make this color, and then this one white maybe, and then this one maybe make it white, and then make this one a white. Oh shit, not this one. This one white, and this one white as well. Okay, cool. What I am a fan of is perhaps this one's too LinkedIn, so I'm not. I like this. The reason why is because I just like how these colors kind of match up. So I'm just gonna put this down here, and as for like, we need like contrasting sections. It can't just all be white. So I would like to go for maybe this one, but we kind of just have to like match the color scheme in a way. Let's see. And I think that's it for like this video. Is it? Okay, this is getting somewhere. Okay, interesting. Can we keep the same color scheme for these icons? We might need some sort of darker stroke so that it's readable, or we just need a white filled button. Okay, cool. So I think what I want to do is frame this, make it into a 0 or something like that, and call this like. And then what I want to do, I don't like the Roboto Flex font. I would like to change it to perhaps Epilogue first. Epilogue. It's Epilogue. Right? And then we're gonna change. Oh, should I put them side to side? Yeah, can do. And we're gonna change the next one into what is this? Plus Jakarta Sands. Jakarta. Plus Jakarta Sands, plus Jakarta. Okay, cool, nice. We're getting somewhere. So now what we're gonna do is take a look and compare which one is better. Epilogue seems a little bit like more special, but the problem is that like I think the spacing is a bit off. You can see that the contact us, even though like we're pretty much like we have equal padding, it still looks like it's a little bit off balance. That can definitely be fixed, but that's just gonna cause problems in the future. So for the sake of like the safeness, we're just gonna go with plus Jakarta Sands. Nice. Okay, cool. We've this is Epilogue. Okay, wow, we're making progress. I love it. I think we're gonna stop the video here, but basically what we did is we have kind of revised the sitemap a little bit by analyzing the different. So basically what we did today is we redid the sitemap based on analyzing different templates of Webflow, and we started to analyze different references that we found. One reference comes from the styling, and another reference comes from like actual templates itself. Where is it? And just from the template itself, we analyzed the different types of section we need for the template, as well as and then from there we went to the style guide. Went straight to the style guide, chose some colors, some typography, icons, button styles, and images, just for the foundational thing. And then we just kind of tried to play around with the layout, and we kind of decided upon a certain style, which is this one, which I kind of like. I think tomorrow I'm just going to develop it even further by creating actual pages, home pages. So this is not usually how I would do things, but given like we're kind of just making like a overall like we're making a template, I think the flow has to like change a little bit. Because you know, there's no client we're working for. We're just pretty much just making things on our own based on our own judgment. But in this case, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Yay!